Hello everyone, today is a new day, new life, new beginning, and new lesson. Once again, I'm teacher Angie. Our lesson for today is about classifying triangles according to angles. First, we need to tackle types of triangles according to angles. So number one, we have acute triangle. A triangle having three acute angles. So when we say acute angles, these are angles less than 90 degrees. Next, equiangular triangle, a triangle having three congruent angles. From the word equi and then angular. So from the word angular, we're talking about angles, and equi means equal. So this means that all the sides are equal. Next, right triangle, a triangle having a right angle. So when we say right angle, one of the angle is 90 degrees. Usually, you can identify this by the symbol small box in an angle. Next, obtuse triangle, a triangle having an obtuse angle. When we say obtuse angle, this angle is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Example, classifying triangle according to angles. So we have 5 figures here. So we need to identify whether the following triangles are acute, obtuse, right, or equiangular. For number 1, as you can see, we have 69, 63, and 48. All the angles are acute. Therefore, number 1 is acute triangle. For number 2, we have here 27 degrees, 25 degrees, and 128 degrees. As you can see, this angle is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. Therefore, number 2 is an obtuse triangle because one of the angle is an obtuse angle. And for number 3, as you can see, all the angles are equal or the same. Therefore, it is equiangular triangle. Number 4, so we have here 45 degrees, 45 degrees, and of course, we have the 90 degrees angle. And as we mentioned, if one of the angle is 90 degrees, then it is right triangle. Therefore, number 4 is a right triangle. And for number 5, so we have 88 degrees, 63 degrees, and 29 degrees. So all the angles are acute, therefore it is an acute triangle. Classifying triangles according to side. So if a while ago, according to angles, meaning we focus on the angles, now we're going to focus on the sides. So types of triangle according to sides. First, we have equilateral triangle. From the word equi, which means equal, and then lateral, the side. Equilateral triangle, all 3 sides are equal and all 3 angles are 60 degrees. So number 2, we have isosceles triangle. 2 sides are equal and their 2 base angles are equal. Next, number 3, scalene triangle. All sides and angles are different, meaning to say no sides are equal. So that is scalene triangle. And of course, right triangle, one of the angles is a 90 degrees angle. Classifying triangles according to sides. So we have here, identify whether the following triangles are scalene, isosceles, or equilateral. And of course, right triangle. So for number 1, we have here 15, 15, and 15. All the sides are congruent. Therefore, we have equilateral triangle. And for number 2, we have here 45, 15, and 17. All the sides are different or no sides are congruent. Therefore, we have scalene triangle. And for number 3, we have 34, 34. So these 2 sides are congruent. Therefore, these 2 angles are also congruent. And the base is different. So since we have 2 sides are congruent, then it is isosceles triangle. Next example, number 4, we have 58, 58, and 54. So 2 sides are congruent, therefore 2 angles are also congruent. And since 2 sides are congruent, then it is isosceles triangle. And for number 5, if you can see, 45, 52, and 33 yards. All the sides are different or no sides are congruent, therefore we have a scalene triangle. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. Please do watch, like, share, and subscribe. Keep safe. God bless us all. Thank you and goodbye.